steals. David, ano preparations mo for the game? Mabigat na kalaban ng Village East. Okay, may pabatiin ka sa kapasasalamatan for this game. Okay, thank you, David Santiago, best player of the ball game. First of all, Stelas, Coach Andre Rodriguez, coach ng game plan sa defending shots sa Village East. Mabigat na laban, first to fourth quarter, close game, digdigan talaga.
Yung preparation lang namin, nag-focus na kami sa defense, nagtulungan lang natin.
Okay, ano yan lahat ng fourth quarter napansin ko, nag-press defense na kayo, pero first to third quarter, wala, di ba?
Kasi anim lang kami, nakakapusin kami talaga pagka nag-press defense sa ganito, first to third.
Okay, thank you, Coach Andre. May papatiin ka sa pasasalamatan.
Thank you lang lagi kay Boss Anthony, kay Madam Kay, kay Boss Tristan, kay Boss Jan, at sa asawa ko.
Okay, our winning coach for today, Coach Andre Rodriguez.